Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday the 8th. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe, and today we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at Aukey. Check them out, link is going to be down below. And you guys can see what other goodies they have to offer. And this one we're going to be unboxing today. Definitely something cool. I'm sure a lot of people need an extra one or two of these. And if you're in the market for a new one, this might be right up your alley. Let me open this up. Here we go. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. This will be shipped to you in no time. Especially with the holidays coming up. You guys might want to jump ahead and start shopping early. Give Santa a little break. And you guys can get one of these bad boys. Aukey RGB mechanical keyboard. Oh yes. So definitely really cool. 104 key backlight. So this is gonna be powerful stuff right here. And here we go. And I'm gonna set it up on my PC in a minute. And here we go. Oh, we got some goodies. Not sure what this thing does. We'll find out. Got the manual. And now. Dun 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 dun. Here she is. Oh, that's nice. We got Aukey. Really nice. Here's the key, what it looks like. Bang. And I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to be moving to my computer. Be right back. Alrighty. Simple USB. I'm going to plug mine on the side. And it should register it. I'm going to spread this out. Hold on one sec. Let me put the keyboard on the counter. There we go. You guys can look at that for a sec. And I just gotta find the USB port. Hopefully it's this one. There we go. Oh, sweet. There we go. Oops. Got a nice and red one. How do you change colors? There's an unlock. That's good. I always keep my numlocks on. Caps. That one. Page up, page down. Really nice. Keys are really not too bad at all. Doesn't hurt. Nice, smooth. Cool. I need to find a manual. I think you could change it somehow. Hold on one sec. Alright, sorry about that. I'm not sure what happened with the phone getting cut. But here it is in the kind of like multi-color mode. All you gotta do is hit the F1 button right here. And you could go to, this will be lightning mode. It will show those two sides up. Really sweet. Then you go FN3 will be those. FN4 are these. FN5 are the most used keys, which, you know, up, up, down, down, Control Alt, ASD, F1, 1, and then that F1. Oh shoot. So let me look at the manual again. Hold on. Alright, we are back. F1 and delete. Or F1 and escape. Shoot. Switch. If you don't like that mode, just hit F1 and escape. It resets it. Switch color, FN, delete. That's why I'm pressing this one and this. Then FN to do the FN and insert. So that'll make it do the glow 10 different colors. But I'm already used to the keyboard and I'm liking it a lot. So definitely YouTubers, if you guys are in the market to buy a new one or have a backup, this would be a way to go. Really nice keys, easy to type, and sweet options with the colors. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a great weekend. Be safe and see you soon. See ya.